If you install it, then you're going to do is open up the app. Now I want to sign up. Now, once sign up for an account, you have to open the app or go to the website and register with your email, phone number, and via Google, Facebook login. So how to sign up for Rebtel? Let's say I want to use a new number. Tap on new number. You can actually see the tutorial or just go. Let's see. So get started. Give it access to your phone. Give it access to setting up your account. So since I'm in Nigeria, you can see it's asking me for my phone number. I put that in. So after putting in the phone number, you'll be asked to verify the number. Verification code will be sent to the number you put. So as you can see, my verification failed. But if yours didn't actually fail, the next thing you're going to do is you have to add credit or subscribe to a plan. Now we have two plans. We have the pay-as-you-go plan, we have subscription plan. So you can add funds to your account for flexible calling if you're using pay-as-you-go, or you can use subscription plan by choosing a monthly plan for limited calls to certain countries if it's available.